Hello, everybody, and welcome back to 5 Nights at Freddy's. I'm just kidding. I'm just making this video real quick because it's 11:02 p.m. and I promised I would make a second video, one at midnight, and I do not. I totally forgot about it. I'm editing this this video right now. You guys, you'll find out tomorrow, but no, it'll be kind of like a funny one. But in the meantime, while you're here, I might as well show you my room, right? Because I need to make something for you to watch. Okay, so I'll just show you. We got it's super zoomed in here. Let's just how do I? Oh, I can't change the zoom. Anyway, so yeah, this is just kind of like my idea board. They all kind of fell over, but I have a bunch of ideas up there. I stick them up there and I go through like a whole process. Like I'm writing the script, ready to film, editing. I'll be honest, I'm kind of lying. I really don't do that. I just spitball. Like the video I'm making right now, this is just last minute, super last minute. I got to upload it tomorrow. So I'm just editing it the night before at 11 p.m. Like how more last minute can you get, right? And yeah, no, I just want to show you my board. This is the little Mr. Beast picture. I printed out two because I made a Mr. Beast video a couple months ago, and I only used one, so I just, kept this on the wall for inspiration. I got my little board right here. I've been Xing off the days every time I upload. So we got 72, 74, 76. It goes all the way down. And then this is the 30th. This should be the 31st. That'll be the 100th video, but yeah, this is keeping me accountable. I've had this up for months and months and months, YouTube videos. Got a little strategy thing up there so I can always remember. And I don't really want to show my room, but it's a mess. Everything's just crazy. This is the only thing I have on my wall. Just a little puzzle there. It's pretty barren. I kind of sold everything. I sold my TV, I sold my PS4, and yeah, I'm grinding YouTube. So yeah, this is just a little video, just showing you my space. I need to come up with something, right? And I gotta finish this video tomorrow. I'm going to a football game tomorrow, so I might make a video the next day about that. That might be cool. But yeah, I sit in here, I write videos, I edit every single day, and trust me, we will have 100 videos by the end of the year. By the 31st, the 100th video will be uploaded, and then 2024, I'm probably gonna switch to like once a week so I can just make super good content. And I'm sorry because my videos I'm making right now are really bad, but that's besides the topic. Thank you for watching, and check out this video tomorrow. Okay, all right, bye.